This is Yasmeen and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today I'll show you how to make wet or gravy fish Manchurian. Wash and strain half kg boneless fish and cut into small cubes. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, juice of half a lemon. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 2 tablespoons cornflour, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour or maida. If it is very dry, you can add about 1 tablespoon water to facilitate the mixing. Keep this fish marinated for about 1 hour. After 1 hour of marination, deep fry these fish cubes into the preheated oil on both sides. When they turn brown, remove from the pan and keep aside. Remove the excess oil and leave only 2 to 3 tablespoons oil in the pan. Add 1½ tablespoon diced ginger, 1½ tablespoon diced garlic. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Add cubes of 1 medium-sized onion. Add cubes of a capsicum. Add 2 whole green chilies, deseeded and cut into 2-inch pieces. Add 2 tablespoons tomato puree. Stir for about 30 seconds. Add half a liter of water. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Add 2 tablespoons soya sauce. You can add 2 pinches red food color and this is optional. Close the lid and cook till the water comes to boil. Mix 2½ tablespoons cornflour in 1/4 cup water. Add this cornflour mix while stirring continuously. Add fried fish cubes. One teaspoon vinegar. Cook for about 2 minutes. Switch off the flame and garnish with chopped coriander and chopped green spring onions. Wet or gravy fish Manchurian is ready. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.